everyone, my name is Judy and thank you for joining me. This is my food tutorial. First thing we're going to do, I'm going to make some delicious roast beef and we're going to show you the roast beef, everyone. Okay, roast beef, what you do, this is my specialty. I take a knife and I punch some holes in it. I already punched some holes in these roast beef, okay? And depending on the weight of your roast beef, you cook it 20 minutes per pound, okay? So what I'm going to do, I take some garlic, which I already peel off the skin. I'm just going to show you how I do this. I have a garlic that skin is peeled off, and you take it and you take your pan, you press like one right here, okay? And you just take some of the skin off it, okay, right? And after I take the skin off it, this is all I do with my garlic. I step it in right inside the hole that I punch in here, see? Deep holes in it. Don't be afraid to punch deep holes into your roast beef. That's going to give it the rich, delicious flavor. Now, deep inside of your roast. After you put your garlic in, what I do, I use, it's called sweet Spanish paprika. Yes, I do that. And I pour it on the roast like this. Okay, you're going to rub it generous amount. You turn it upside down. Make sure you get it all over your roast beef, okay? Make sure you get all over your roast. Make sure that garlic stays inside, okay? You see all that flavor? I want it just like that, right? You can rub it in or pat it in if you want to. You can just rub it in, okay? Just that nice flavor that roast. And this is my favorite, everybody. Adobo. You just put some adobo in it. Make sure you do it on the side, and the other side, and the outside. All right. And last but not least, everybody, I like to use, I'm just in love with parsley, everyone. Okay, I'm going to show you some parsley over here. And I'm just going to pour some parsley on top of there. Okay? And that's about it, everyone. And last but not least, I use garlic salt. Okay, I have garlic in there. Because I don't use a lot of salt in my seasoning, my food, I have garlic salt. And I'm going to take this and open this a little bit more. Pour some garlic salt in, okay? Okay, just pour a little bit more. I'm going to open this other side to get some of this thing out of here. Sorry, everyone. I only have a little bit in here. Alright, that's good. Just a little bit, right? And not only does roast beef melt in your mouth, it tastes so good. So I'm going to cover this. Now we're going to cook this, it's about 3 pounds, for 20 minutes. So that's about 60 minutes, another hour, okay? But you don't want to overcook your roast beef. You check it. Some of you may use a thermometer. Now I'm going to put this in the oven. The next thing I'm going to do, I have some string beans. Hi everyone, I'm back again. I forgot to put the onions into the string beans. And that's it, everyone. Just take it, shake it up. And I cook these string beans with the olive oil in the oven for 20 minutes. Hi everyone, I'm back again and I'm going to show you the results of the roast beef. Here we are. Wow, absolutely delicious. Okay, I'm going to show you a close-up, everyone. And I'm going to cut into this. Oh, it came out perfect. I'm going to get my knife, a little table knife here. I'm just going to cut right into this with my fork. Oh, perfect. Oh, you're going to cut it slightly on the edge. Oh, perfect. I'm going to show you a little piece. Oh, that looks so good. Nice and tender. Perfectly cooked. Oh, wow. That is really scrumptious. Oh, that is delicious, everyone. Okay, they have my string on it. Oh, delicious. I'm going to cut one more piece so you can see. Nice and tender and moist. That's the garlic, everyone. Oh, I'm going to put a little bit in this plate. I have a plate over here so you can see. Okay. Oh, here goes my plate, everyone. I'm just going to put a little piece for now for kill the time. And what I'm going to do, I made my special gravy with flour and onions and pepper, adobo, the seasoning, and a little bit cayenne. And you're going to put that on top of the roast beef with onion. And now, last but not least, I'm going to taste it, everyone. I like my rice and the onion. Mmm. 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 Delicious. I'm sorry I'm talking, but mmm. That is so good, everyone. Oh, with the rice and also the my my string beef with the sauteed onions and olive oil, and just rice and onions and the sauce. I'll show you how to make the brown sauce later on another food tutorial. I'm sorry, this tastes so good. I wish you could taste it. Oh, well, I want to say thank you all for watching. Until next time, enjoy the rest of your day. And remember, God is good.